The ultimate work tool is the human hand. 5 dexterous fingers, skin tough enough to work all day, and nerves so sensitive they can detect the finest detail. Our hands are the foundation of today's workforce and the inspiration for tomorrow's. Now, for the first time, there's a training tool that can match the dexterity and sensitivity of your hands. Haptex Gloves G1. The haptic gloves with the most realistic touch. G1 is lined with hundreds of air-powered actuators that bring realism to a new level. With powerful force feedback and precise motion tracking for enterprise-grade dexterity, G1 is uniquely designed for workforce training. It works in virtual reality, helping you build real muscle memory. It works with robotics, extending your reach with precise haptic teleoperation. And it lets you train robot AI systems faster and more successfully with the highest fidelity hand tracking and haptic data. We designed G1 from the bottom up to support the most demanding work: industrial, medical, defense, and beyond. Order Haptex Gloves G1 now and get the best out of your most important tool, your hands.